These are the ingredients required for making chocolate chip cookies. Here are the ingredients from group 1 to group 4. Group 1: butter, salt, plain flour, baking soda and baking powder. Group 2: we have caster sugar and brown sugar. Group 3: eggs and vanilla essence. Group 4: chopped walnut and chocolate chip. Sieve the group 1, the flour, salt, baking powder and baking soda into the bowls. Now, the reason is to remove the flour lumps. Place the soft butter into the flour, then rub in gently. During rub-in, make sure there are no butter lumps. After rub-in, the mixture texture must be sandy. Continue rub-in with castered sugar and brown sugar until there are no butter lumps. Add in the vanilla essence and eggs. Rub in until it forms into a dough. Add in the chopped walnut and chocolate chip. Continue to rub in to form a dough. Use the plastic scraper to smoothen the dough. Deposit the dough into the plastic bag and flatten it. After deposit the dough into the plastic bag, flatten it and rest it in chiller for 30 minutes to 1 day. The best 1 day. Take out the cookie dough from the chiller and unwrap it. Place it in the bowl. Prepare the baking tray with silicone baking paper. Weigh 10 grams each portion and place it on the baking tray. Place each portion dough evenly on the baking tray. Roll the portion round lightly and press it flat with slight thickness. Measure 2 finger gaps between each portion. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees temperature. Place the baking tray in the oven and set timer for 13 minutes. After baked, remove the baking tray with oven hand glove or wooden paddle. Then transfer the cookies onto the cooling rack.